I'm going to do fried taco with the carne asada flat meat. Hey, we're going to make some carne asada tacos, which is prime chairman's flat meat. We're going to start with this flat meat. We're going to hit it with cash cow first. And what we're doing is we're going to give it some richness, maybe a little umami. We got the rendered beef fat in there, the alder smoked sea salt, beef stock. So we're just kind of give it a little beef pop here. And then we're going to hit them on top lightly is a little hallelujah right here. And hallelujah is a seasoned jalapeno garlic salt. So we're going to go hit them hard and then we're going to build it and it should be really fun. So I'm going to par fry these just to soften them up a little bit. Got nice hot peanut oil because peanut oil has a lower burn. What we're going to do, we're just going to soften them, par fry them, and then we're going to stuff them and then fry them again. Okay, time to load the tacos before we fry them. So I got the carne asada that's been kept warm. I have some cheese. It's pretty simple. Put a little cheese in here. Kind of just tighten it up here. Okay, let's load it. Got some carne asada. Got some organic Mexican cheese blend. We're going to put that in there. Fold it up. I'm not using toothpicks. I'm a professional. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to fry these, and then I'm going to set up a little condiment bar so people can build the taco exactly how they want. Okay, we've got the oil at about 375. 2 at a time works good. Listen, I always say, listen to your pan. If it's making a lot of noise, it's too hot, and I think it's yelling at me, so I'm going to back it down. Drain them and put on some paper towels. Be right back and show you how we build the plates. They're crispy, they're ready. I'm going to build mine. And even though I put some of this cheese in before, a lot of it melted out. Let me just open this bad boy up. A little cheese, little onions, fire roasted salsa, hallelujah guacamole, cotija cheese, a slice of lime. Fire up your favorite cold beverage, and life's pretty good.